Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia G50, and today I'll show you how to record your screen on this device. So to get started, all you need to do is simply pull down your notification panel and locate the toggle, which for me is on the second page right here. Tap on it and choose if you want to record your what kind of audio you want to record. So we have microphone or device audio, and then show touches on screen. So whenever you swipe to, for instance, flick a page or go up and down, it will be shown on a recording as a semi-transparent dot on the screen. So from there, click on start. It will start a countdown and then start recording afterwards. So whatever you'll do right now is being recorded by the device. You can also open apps with this, and those also will be recorded. There we go. And once you're done, simply get back to the notification panel and tap to stop the red little thing, and voila, it's now recorded. Now I'll mention before I actually show you where you can find the recording that the screen recording is limited to some apps. So as an example, if you try to record things like Netflix, you will get sound, but you won't have any kind of image on it. It will just be a black screen of literally nothingness. So keep that in mind. So anyway, now going to the recording, let's open up our Photos application, and in here we can navigate to our library, and we should be able to locate somewhere, I guess, movies folder, which will contain our screen recording. There we go, there's the screen recording, and that is how you can record it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.